Next, we are going to implement the update book in cart feature that allows the customer to update the quantities of books in the shopping cart. You see, in the shopping cart detail page, for each book listed in the shopping cart, the customer can edit the quantity numbers here. Here, the customer can update the quantities of the books here and click the update button to update the shopping cart, and the number of copies, number of books, the total amount, subtotal are recalculated, updated. And in this section, we need to implement the update cart method in the shopping cart class and code the update cart servlet in the controller layer. And let's see the activity diagram for the update book in cart feature. You see, first the customer edits the quantity of a book in the cart and